We currently got the 125 engine on the stand at the moment, and as you can see, we got some parts missing. Well, that's because I removed the stator and the flywheel, but we're putting the ignition cover back on for right now. The only reason why is because we're gonna clean this bad boy up a little bit, make it a little bit cleaner than what it is at the moment, and then we're gonna take this, the whole engine, with these parts and a few stragglers over there, and we're gonna take them all out to DH1 Mods to get sandblasted, and some of the parts are gonna get some coating. So let's throw the ignition cover on like boom. See there, we got that ignition cover right back on, and the engine is now ready to start getting cleaned. And speaking of clean, oh my goodness, look at this disaster we got over here. We got parts, pieces, tools, everything in between. And look at that, we have 2 triple clamps. Why is that? Well, that's because my buddy Travis had a spare set of triple clamps, and he said, hey, whatever parts you might want off of that, go ahead and take them off. So we might just do that, and we'll probably end up blasting and maybe even coating those too. Who knows? Now we're gonna take the engine off the stand, get it cleaned up, and get it ready for the blasting. These parts here could use some cleaning before we send them out to get blasted, so we're going to clean these as well. Alright, we just cleaned these parts up, and as you guys see, like, they're not perfect. The whole point of this wasn't to make these brand new from just a toothbrush and some water and Simple Green. The point was just to get some of the nasty stuff off the top layer here, if that makes sense. Basically just get that dirt and grime out of there as best you can, just so that way it's going to be easier for Brandon at DH1 to blast all these parts. And then, yeah, that's basically the whole point of why we had to clean the parts prior to them getting blasted. For choosing which set of triple clamps I'm going to use, this set has the top piece right here for the number plate, and that set of triple clamps up top has it broken off. And honestly, I think that what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick with these triple clamps right here. However, I don't like these bar mounts. I do like those. So we're gonna swap those two, and then we're gonna need to remove these bearings and seals and basically have this whole set of the triple clamp ready to go for blasting. We're gonna use the Motion Pro steering stem bearing tool. Now I got this tool off of motosport.com. If you're interested in this tool, there will be a direct link in the description that will take you to Motosport, and then you can find this tool on their website. This is for removing and installing bearings on your steering stem. We're just using it for removal today, but we'll do the install whenever we get these parts back from Brandon at DH1. And finally, there it is, everyone. All the parts and pieces it looks to be that we're going to take to get blasted. And some of these will be getting coated. Some things will, some won't. And yeah, so essentially, we're going to have to get a box, throw a bunch of these parts and pieces in there, and take them out to DH1, where Brandon's going to blast. And he's also going to do some powder coating, some Cerakote work as well. So keep your eyes peeled to see what is going to get what, and take guesses if you think you know what's going to get what, and I guess color schemes you can go for as well. So regardless, here we go. We got all the parts cleaned up.